I started vlogging in 2003, before YouTube even existed. It is with heart wide open that I share with you my journey that has taken me from South Korea to now living off-grid in the middle of nowhere. And look at him, he's so big. Come on! Holy fuck, he's huge. Okay, so it's time to cut. I'm gonna bring this. Time to cut that post. Hopefully it will hold. Okay. Willow, you're like just like a big goat. It's holding. How long is it gonna hold for? Where are the goats now? That is the question. Where did they go? But it's holding, so it might just not be high enough. We'll see when maybe I bring a log here. So let's roll this log. Yeah, I need a little bit higher. Oh. Yeah, now I'm good. So that log, no problem. I can easily bring it. So, fuck. It took me half a day. And if you watch some of my videos from the summer of 2023, and then once I have 2022 posted, you'll see that I should have done that, you know, back then. All right, I'm in the excavator. I'm gonna go by the hill and work there. It's 3:30, maybe until 5:30, something like that. 2 hours, 2-3 hours. Hey folks, I'm driving to town this morning, delivering 6 dozens of eggs. That's so good. So it snowed right yesterday all day, so the road is not plowed yet. I decided to plow my road when I come back, because I can do that at night. Oh, actually, talking about the plow, look, the plow is right there. Whoa, that was scary. He didn't slow down one bit. And you have to be careful, or I have to be careful, because the side of the road, there's no real banks yet, so you could go, or I could go in the ditch, and then that means I'm not going to town. That means headaches. So, but now, yeah, this is great. The road is plowed now, right at the beginning of driving, so that's excellent. So I wanted to take a minute to talk about something I'm really fucking, it's hard for me to comprehend, okay? So, where to start? So yeah, so Canada, I'm gonna talk about the country, the supposed country of Canada. So in school, you need, like, we have been taught the history of Canada, with the colony, and then Upper and Lower Canada, and then the Dominion of Canada, and then Trudeau father repatriating the Constitution to Canada. But as it turns out, all of that were just fucking lies. If you don't believe me about Canada not being a country, you go on, I'll post a link to a video, a little documentary that clearly demonstrate all the documents of the history of Canada, and how really none of what we believe is Canada is true. And what surprises me the most is it really seems that people don't want to know, they don't want to see that, they don't want to know, because the implications, think about this, you know, what would be the implication if everyone woke up to the fact that Canada is not even a country, that Trudeau Jr. doesn't have any fucking authority or whatsoever, like the federal government, nothing. We don't even have a constitution. And, you know, interestingly, yesterday I saw that Joe Rogan is actually aware of that, and Trump is also aware of that. So Canada is really a fucking illusion, and I fucking dare you to watch that video. And, you know, once you see that and you watched it and you realize, you come to peace with the fact that we don't have a country, what are you gonna do about it? Are you gonna, you know, what are you gonna do? This is what I'm doing, and yeah, this is one of the things I'm doing. But anyway, so I hope you watch it, and maybe we have a chance to make our own country, you know. Maybe each province becomes a country, and maybe we have a chance to abolish all fucking tax, and we won't have Mr. Poilievre. Fuck, he's not gonna be better than Trudeau, you know. It's the same shit. Yeah, it's no difference. I know a lot of you see that, but not enough people, yeah, yet. I hope to live long enough to see the tide truly change, you know. I can see now it's changing, but I want to see the tide, like the tidal wave, hit our world to change everything in one sweep. Make things right. More freedom, so that the human spirit can really evolve the way it's meant, you know, without sticks in the wheels. I've got some tunes, and I'm happy to be doing what I'm doing. I was looking forward to this all day long. I kept the thing I like most for the later part of the day, you know. It's so relaxing when nothing breaks, you know. But this year, if something breaks, I'm gonna challenge myself to feel just as good as I'm feeling right now. And so you can't hear the tunes, but I'm listening to like a mix I downloaded from YouTube or something like that. It's a playlist, and it's all sorts of like rock songs that I play, that I grew up with in my teens and young adulthood. I'm still in my young adulthood, maybe still in my teens. Sometimes I feel. I pretty much have everything done except this part here. So it's not a big deal. There isn't much left to do with the quad, really. On the road I have. Big day today. It's the day where both dogs are coming to training at the same time. My challenge is to put them in the truck. Let's see. Where's Willow? Willow! Willow! Come on! Meh! Are the goats out? Meh! Willow, come on! He's back there. I got your food! They know. Oh, hi, Willow! Oh, the goats are back in. Okay. He's eating. Raven is in the back. Willow is behind me. It was easier to get Raven in the back, and he was less scared of the leash. And also I've had to clean his ears twice yesterday, and add some liquid straight in it. He's got like an ear infection, and he always has something, that boy. I'm gonna close that window a little bit for Willow. Willow, Willow. Okay, I don't think he can jump. And Raven is in, he's got his little window on the side that I can watch him with my mirror. And then I've got Willow here with his head out. Okay. Alright, we're good. Wow, Raven did so good. He learned to sit and lay down and stay all today in less than an hour. And then Willow learned maybe not even to sit. Maybe once I'm at home and I practice with him, he'll be able to do it. But he like I needed to push his butt down, you know, to get him to sit. He was too nervous about the other dogs and not being at home. But Raven, like, it was so surprising. Sit, lay down, stand up, and stay. Fuck. Yeah, who would have thought? So now, Divine is working Saturday today. So when I get home, I'm going to use the quad to widen the road, do the last few things. So it won't be long, but I'm gonna have lunch first, and then maybe when I'll have enough time to go in the forest, take care of my my tent. When it snows, like it goes down, so I have to go there to prop it up. Anyway, it's a beautiful day, so it's perfect. Yeah. Hi. It's a nice hug, Marty. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of the... Oh yeah, I'm gonna need the shovel in there. So I'm doing the rest of the snow management. I'm going to change the battery. It's on that camera. Don't see any tracks. There was a lot of moose tracks on our road yesterday and today, but I didn't see anything. My other cam, I need to do some troubleshooting because it isn't working. So I had to take it down from the tree. Anyway, I'll let you go. There might be some tracks near the tent. It's done. The camera is back in business. It's so beautiful. There's a little snow falling, little to no wind. It's angel-like. But the days have begun to get longer, so that's really positive. It'll take 6 months before it's the longest day. First thing today, I'm gonna switch the Starlink cable. They sent us a new cable, then I can patch that hole, and then I'm gonna reinstall the camera. There's the SD card, the problem, and then hi Maddie, then we're gonna go do the bushcraft. So let me get ready. Oh my god, a few little things turn in like some stuff very physical. I'm sweating. I took a layer off. So we did the front of the greenhouse. It's pretty good. It was time, like I couldn't delay any longer. So, but now it's like back to square one. Look at that beautiful boy. Yeah, who is this? Is that Willow? Is that you, Willow? You're so pretty. Yeah. Let's go do the... We did the roof. Oh, I did the roof of the pool house as well. Now we'll do the roof of the high tunnel in that garage. And this I'll do from the inside, it's easier. No, I'll do it from the inside. It's fairly simple. Is Solo in here? I don't see her.
She's there somewhere.
Oh yeah, I see her now. I don't see her now again. Solo, oh yeah. She's under the table there. Oh, I have one spot here. I think left. If we don't do that, it'll get too heavy and either the structure will give up or the poly will break. Huh? It's done.
The side though.
No. It's good. I'm not shoveling the sides now. This one now. This one is already Hey! Don't go! Don't let them go there. That's what we have. We have our berries. Hey! Shh. Yeah, like look at this. Okay. Go. I'm gonna go there then first. Let's start the snowmobile. Let's see. Yeah, I started every time I started it this summer. I was starting it like every 6 weeks or so, something like that. You know, whenever I felt it was time. Let's see. It's physical. I'll put some new gas in it. I don't know why it would beep like that.
Yeah.
I'll bring it over there to put the gas. Finally got it going. The beeping was the low gas warning. I didn't know there was such a low gas warning. Anyway, Now I gotta dry up because I'm drenched from sweating so much. Look.
There's no snow on the mattress. That's good for you.
Really?
See?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
It's snow free inside, and then we can make fire. No problem. There's not a lot of snow in the fire pit.
Oh.
It's nice here. It's not cold, even though we don't have fire.
Okay.
I can start the fire.
It's so much fun, the snowmobile. Even though it's loud as hell. And fuck, we saw lots of deer tracks. Like usually at this time of the year, I never see any deer tracks. Oh my. There'll be more for next year. I'm gonna go do the trails on the property that we didn't do. Alright. Oh, it started good. Okay. See you in a bit.